So this is the site of Annex 1 office space, small office spaces and the studios. So you can see the superstructure of the building is complete and finishing work is going on. So you can see the site is very much near to Gaur Chowk, Kisan Chowk. The Gaur City Mall is just visible from here, and upcoming metro station is also just nearby to the site. So this is one of the best options in Noida extension. If you are looking something for office spaces, so very well connected to the main areas. These are some big offices here, 856 square feet. So you can see the superstructure and the finishing work is going on. So you can buy any office space with a good payment plan and with a very lucrative competitive rate over here. So you can connect us for any office inquiry or any retail spaces for this particular project. So these are the samples of the offices here. Very well connected to the residential zone also. So please call us on the given below number for further inquiries, for site visits and bookings. Thank you very much.